Welcome to Vietnam. Get ready for an unforgettable 10-day journey from Saigon to Hanoi. On day 1, we greet you in Ho Chi Minh City. Our guide and driver will be waiting at the airport to take you to your hotel. Settle in, relax, or take a short walk around. Your adventure is just beginning. Day 2 is all about history. We take you to the Cu Chi tunnels, an incredible underground network used during the war. You'll have the chance to crawl through narrow tunnels and see how people lived and fought here. On day 3, we escape to the peaceful Mekong Delta. Cruise along the river, enjoy fresh tropical fruits, visit floating markets, and experience life in the countryside. Day 4, we say goodbye to Ho Chi Minh City and fly to Da Nang, a stunning coastal city. Enjoy the fresh sea breeze, beautiful beaches, and a more relaxed pace of life. The highlight of day 5 is the famous Golden Bridge, held up by giant stone hands high above the mountains. Walk through the misty air, take amazing photos, and soak in the breathtaking views. On day 6 and day 7, we land in Hanoi, the capital of Vietnam. Wander around Hoan Kiem Lake, dive into the busy streets of the Old Quarter, and treat yourself to some of the best street food in the country. Day 8, it's time to set sail. We board a luxury cruise in Halong Bay, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. A full day in Halong Bay on day 9 gives you time to kayak through hidden caves, swim in clear waters, or simply relax on the sun deck as the stunning scenery drifts by. Finally, on day 10, we say farewell. After an unforgettable journey, we take you to the airport for your flight home. But remember, Vietnam will always be here, ready to welcome you back.